Timor-Leste is one of the most untouched and authentic places left in the world. The landscapes are wild, the roads are open, and the people are some of the most friendly, welcoming, and genuine you will ever meet. Riding with Dili Dirt Bike Tours is not just an adventure. It's a chance to escape, to breathe, and to feel free again. To experience simple village life, local culture, and the real heart of Timor-Leste. In a world that feels busy and sometimes a bit crazy, this place reminds you of what matters. Connection, nature, and real moments. You could explore it in a car, but on a dirt bike, it's more personal, more exciting, and so much more alive. So come ride with us and discover Timor-Leste the way it was meant to be seen.